1 month ago, I shadowbanned one of my channels and I went from this amount of views to this. The same happened for my video on another channel that went from blowing up with views like this to this. Now whether shadowbanning is a thing or not, I wanted to figure out why this happened. So I did. My views went down because of one simple mistake. In this video I want to tell you what I've learned so you can avoid cannibalizing your views. Here's what happened. On April 16th, I uploaded this video. Within 3 days after that upload, views of the other videos dropped by 65%. Yes, you've heard that right. My other videos stopped performing well. Not because their click-through rate dropped. I mean, it has even increased. By the way, talking about click-through rate, you can download my free thumbnail templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. Free link below. Anyways, my other videos suddenly stopped getting views. And mind you, they were not new videos. Their average view duration also didn't change, besides their click-through rate that even increased. None of the stats changed much. So before I tell you why they then stopped getting views, do you understand the impact? The impact of uploading the wrong video and the impact of simply not uploading when a video is blowing up on your channel. Because sometimes the best thing you can do is to not upload. This may go against your conditioning because everyone is telling you to upload daily, or at least consistently. But when a video is blowing up, sometimes it's better to not upload your new video. Now before I explain when and when not to upload a new video based on my data, please know that you can always keep creating new videos. I'm just saying don't publish them yet in a specific situation. Before I tell you more about that, first, how did I cannibalize my views? Well, take a look at this example. Video A is about pets. Video B is about dogs. And video C is about golden retrievers. If video B is blowing up, you likely don't want to publish video C yet. However, if video C, that is about golden retrievers, is blowing up, you likely can publish video B, which is about dogs, without hurting the views on video C. Why is this the case? Well, because a high percentage of golden retriever owners or enthusiasts will watch a video about dogs, whereas a low percentage of dog owners or enthusiasts care about a specific race like golden retrievers. So what was the first mistake that I made? Well, my video about a broad topic blew up, but I decided to upload one of the next videos about a narrow sub-niche topic that only a few people who watched the broad video cared about. And as a result, the views on the whole channel dropped by 30 to 90% even. Now here are two technical reasons why this probably happened on my channel. Disclaimer, YouTube has never publicly mentioned these, but my data and research strongly implies that these play probably a big role. Reason one is about a lower session time. Because if a viewer clicks your new video expecting content like your previous uploads, but gets something different, they don't watch it, which hurts your session duration. And YouTube can't now show your new videos to your viewers, which is really something you want to avoid. Something also to avoid is to lose money on paid tools and their subscription models. So I made a free Google Sheet with over 80 free YouTube tools that I use. No sponsors, no affiliate links. I will put a free link in the comments. And when you are there, comment the word WhatsApp group if you want me to send you a free invite to our group chat with other YouTube creators. Or comment something like this that a lot of people did on my recent video and help each other grow this year. Anyways, reason number 2 is about the decrease in relevance score if you publish the wrong video topic. Let me explain this. Similar to what in advertising is called a lookalike audience, uploading something that deviates too far weakens your relevance score. In the same way, a Facebook pixel performs poorly if you send irrelevant random traffic to your website. Now, if you don't know what a Facebook pixel is, it's basically like training a dog to do something you want in exchange for a treat. If you reward all kinds of behavior, like barking, everything random, then of course it forgets what you actually want. As a result, the YouTube pixel shows your rabbit videos to dog owners, or doesn't even show your rabbit videos at all, because nobody inside your audience cares about them, and nobody outside your audience either, because your YouTube pixel is still used to giving you impressions from dog owners, not from rabbits. Now you would think that YouTube is smarter than this, but my data shows me that this is how I cannibalized my views multiple times, not just once. I simply uploaded the wrong video after the right video was already blowing up. Now this may leave you with the question, how do I know in my case when not to upload a new video while still being free to experiment with new topics and new formats? Well, comment the word methods below and I will send you my 3 methods that I now use to avoid cannibalizing my views that you can replicate for your channel, all for free. That being said, if there was one YouTube setting that I also found about too late, it is this one. I wish I knew it before one of my videos blew up, because I left a lot of views and money on the table. I talk about it in this video. See you there or not. Talk soon.